Hi, I'm Gloria St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory, and I'm so excited to be here. I teach music teachers how to increase their income and have more impact on their music teaching business so they can teach with productivity and profitability. I knew there was a real need for music educators to learn exactly how they could be teaching music theory, not only in person, but also online. And it's really the reason I created the Ultimate Music Theory certification course and Elite Educator Program. And thank goodness for the Authority Accelerator Program. I couldn't have done it without them. The Authority Accelerator Program had a massive impact on how I created my Elite Educator Program, the steps that I needed to make it work, exactly how I could market my program, how I could do my one-on-one calls. It had the templates, it had the coaching, it had everything that I needed. And I'm so grateful to Sunny and her team. And I continue to grow my business to this day, and I'm truly grateful. Before I created my Ultimate Music Theory Elite Educator Program using the Sunny system, as she calls it, I was basically overdrawn and living on, the fumes of credit cards. And I knew that I could help teachers, but I needed a system that I could implement right away. And in 2019, when we kind of had that life-changing event, I knew it was time. And not only did I succeed, but I tripled my revenue since joining the Authority Accelerator Program. And I continue to grow to this day. And I am honored to serve music educators around the globe using our system. If you're thinking about investing in the Authority Program, the Authority Accelerator Program, I highly recommend it. I would not be here where I am in my business today as we have grown and increased our team and served multiple educators around the world. I'm so grateful. It's something you need to do for yourself. If you want to get there faster, if you want to get results now, and if you want a system that actually works, you're in the right place. Dive in, and I will see you probably in the Facebook group.